Hi, my name is Maxi, and I want to welcome you to our channel, Inogon Empowerment, where we enable each other to grow as good role models in our society. Today we want to talk about rejection, and we are looking at rejection because many of us have faced rejection in our past, in our life, and we are even experiencing rejection at this particular time as we watch this video. Rejection comes to us in various forms. It may be rejection by a loved one who has rejected your love. It may be rejection from the family point of view, whereby you are in a family but you feel you are alone because you have been isolated from many things that take place in a family. Rejection may also come up when you are rejected by your employer, you lose your job, and you don't know why you lost the job, and so you feel rejected. You may also reject yourself because there are things that you really wanted to happen in your life, but they have not happened, or you have done them, but not to your satisfaction. And so you feel a feeling of hate, a feeling of let down by yourself, and so you even reject yourself. You can reject yourself because some of your body parts, you have not accepted them, and so you feel they shouldn't actually have been part of you. Some people reject themselves. You may be a man and you feel you should have been a woman, and in that state you will change your status into a woman by taking pills or something like so, that you can be able to increase in the right parts that would make you look like a woman. Or you might be a woman and you decide that you don't appreciate being a woman, and so you'll dress, walk, talk, and act like a man. Rejection can come in a lot of ways. You can be rejected in school because you did not work hard, or you did not perform as per the expectations of the school. And so when we talk about rejection, rejection is part of us. Rejection is with us. Rejection has been with us for a long time, and it will still be in our society as at now. We remember the story in the Bible where Joseph was rejected by his own blood, his own brothers, and because of that rejection, they had to sell him out as a slave, not caring that this was their blood brother and anything wrong could have happened to him. And so who are you not to face rejection? Jesus was rejected by his own best friends. They denied him at the point when he really needed help, at the time when he was facing crucifixion. Peter, who was his right-hand man, decided to deny him. When we look at Judas, the man who used to carry who was in charge of the finances that's in the ministry of Jesus, betrayed him. And so rejection can come even when you are betrayed by your best friend. Emotional trauma, emotional pain is a very difficult thing to deal with as a human being on your own, because there are ways that we react to it. We react in various ways in which affect our ways of handling the rejection as it comes. One, you may feel angry at the people who have rejected you, or at the situation that have rejected you. You may feel a lot of hate, a lot of hatred. Imagine somebody you have really worked with, and then in the long run you have been caring for your spouse, and in the long run your spouse decides to reject you. You feel hatred. The love that you felt for your spouse changes from the love to hatred, and you feel you did so much for him, but there is very little that he did, or you did so much for her and there is very little that he did for you. You may have put in so much in your place of work, and so you feel really, really let down. Many a times when people are facing rejection, they feel that they are not worthy. So your self-worth is pushed down. Your self-esteem is reduced. So we react differently to emotional trauma. And many people may decide to enter into actions or activities to deal with that period of rejection. Some engage themselves in alcohol. They become alcoholic as a way of dealing with the rejection. But alcoholism will not help you, because when you wake up in the morning, the problem has not been solved. Some people will engage in drugs as a way of dealing with the rejection. But when you engage in drugs, when the drug effect wears out, you go back to the point where you are. Some people who have been rejected in relationship may decide to get into promiscuity. If they are men, they decide that since it is a woman who rejected him, he will decide to go out with as many women as he wants. He will decide, I want to revenge on women. People revenge after rejection. Or if it's a woman, he'll decide, now I want to revenge with men. So they go into a sexual orgy, trying to deal with the rejection that they were handling. Some people may decide just to stay indoors and slip slowly into depression. And so it is important for us to be able to look for signs of people who are undergoing rejection. One thing that we need to understand is that we can never dwell in our past. Rejection, yes, it's been there, but we cannot dwell in our past. And we cannot avoid rejection as we live on this planet Earth. But how do we really deal with this issue of rejection? Have you ever been in a position where you feel alone in a society where everybody else is active or very happy, but you feel alone? Is there a time that you have felt like the people that you really cared for, the people that you really put in so much, or the person that you put in so much, finally tells you that you can no longer be part of my life? Have you ever put in so much in your workplace, all your time, all your resources, just to receive a termination letter, and you are like, why did this happen to me? The other question you should ask, why not me? Many times when a door is closed unto us, there is a bigger door that is opening. Let us always look at rejection as a part that will propel us to our better goal. Why am I saying so? Look at the biblical examples of people who faced rejection. Let me talk about Daniel. Daniel, he had his people whom he was working with in the government. And he was a hard worker. He was loved. But what did the people do? They are the same people who went to betray him to the king. And he was thrown in the den of lions. Rejection. When you have been rejected, you feel like you are in a den of lions because nothing really seems to be working positive on your side. But remember, after that, Daniel was promoted to be the head of the country. He was put in charge of even those who had rejected him, those who had betrayed him. And so when we take rejection positively, the results are tremendous. I will give another example of Joseph. After he was rejected by his brothers, those who rejected him had to come to him for help. And that is what happens when we look at rejection and deal with it positively. Thank you so much for watching. In my next video, we will look at how do we cope when we are facing rejection. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe, to share, and to like. God bless you so much. Thank you.